Okay, so
Kelly,
this was actually a good question that you did yesterday, focusing on Social Security. You know, tens of millions of Americans are going to see a pretty big boost for Social Security. That starts next year.
Yeah, so it's a 9% boost, and all this is based on the cost of living. 65 million Americans get Social Security here. Most of them are seniors, and that's the Social Security program that we know. Some are survivors, some are disabled workers, but everybody will see a boost here, and yes, they are going to see a rise in the amount of money that each check comes each month. And it's significant. On average, it's about $140 per month. But you also have to remember, people are paying a lot more for their goods and their services,
inflation,
their foods, their gas, everything here.
So it really evens out, if not at all.
And that was going to be my question. How much are they actually going to see, because everything has gone up? Do we know? We don't really know that yet.
Well, here's what happens. So it used to be, back after Social Security started all the way through to the 70s, is that Congress would sort of randomly have an increase. Well, they decided when inflation actually got pretty high back in the 70s and 80s that we can't do that anymore. It has to be an automatic increase. It has to be tied to inflation. Congress is not going to be the decider of this. It's going to happen each year. So what they do is they take the third quarter. So we just got the numbers in July, August, September. How much have prices gone up compared to July, August, September of last year? And that's the number that they use. But when you talk about Social Security for older people, they see a lot of medical costs that maybe we don't see quite as much. So you also have to look at the cost of Medicare. That is actually going down this year, so it's not really eating into the Medicare Part B. It's not really eating into those increases, but many years it does.
So that's, I guess, a sliver of good news too.
Yes. But the thing about it is it's automatic. There's nothing you need to do if you have Social Security. It'll just go up for you, and that's part of the system. That's how it's supposed to be. But you just think about Social Security, one of the most successful programs that we've ever had in this country in reducing poverty, right? And it'll be interesting to see sort of what happens to it in the future. But do expect in January those monthly checks to go up,
which will be good news for a lot of people. A lot of people are saying, thankfully, finally, we're actually going to see a significant increase. But then again, hopefully we start to see things start to come down in price next year.
Exactly.
So they'll feel even more of that increase
secure
for the wallet. So feel even more secure. So have to wait and see.